I forget, make sure you tune into my live stream tomorrow. I'll be hosting. I'm gonna have the link down below. Make sure you tune into that to support your girl, because yeah, it's a live stream. Now on my Instagram, I'm gonna have everything down below. So support your girl, okay? Welcome back to the video. So I look crazy. It is 10:13, bro. This is how early I be going to go to Crumbl, because I be trying to get the review for y'all out real early. But yeah, he's not doing a review with me today because he doesn't want to. Nah, it's because he work at 12 and he already doing hella stuff, so I don't think he's gonna do it with me. But let's see if we can convince him to get like a little bite. But he doesn't like eating sweets in the morning. I don't really care. Yeah, we're gonna go to Crumbl, and I didn't do on TikTok like if I'm excited for this week's lineup and stuff like that. I saw the lineup. We'll do it right now, actually. You know what? I got y'all. You know what we should do? Maybe we should do like guesses of like what the rating. I think the rating is gonna be. The angle is terrible, y'all, but I don't have the tripod stick. It's like, yeah. So we're gonna start with the lineup. Caramel apple. It just boy think he's Speedy Gonzalez in these streets. Like, he is beasting. Like, poor truck. Jeez, I'm just trying to film some content for y'all. Boy about to kill me.
No, I'm in a rush, girl. You know this.
Caramel apple. I'm not too excited for it. Not because it might taste bad, but like, I don't know, man. I'm not really like Aggie blue. I saw like there's this girl on TikTok that I be watching sometimes, and I saw like her review, like I saw her like her excitement for this one. So I'm like, but sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes her ratings don't be the same as mine. Like, she be finding certain cookies really good and I be finding them disgusting, so I don't know if it's a trustworthy source, you know? So this Aggie Blue Mint, I don't know if I'm gonna like that one, because I think it's blueberry and mint. Like, ew. Like, the only thing that goes together is chocolate and mint, nothing else. Pumpkin roll, I think this is gonna be really good, honestly. Like, I really do think it's gonna be really good. I didn't even say a number. I'm gonna say to wrap it up. Original peanut butter M&M's candies. I know it's not gonna be bad, but I just feel like really like be fucking for real. Be fucking for real. Like, y'all, all the old things that y'all kind of want this week, y'all bring M&M cookies. Be fucking for real. And the last one is classic wheat sugar, and we all know it's disgusting. So, not really. I'm not getting that shit. I'm sorry. That shit tastes like freaking ass. So my overall rating, okay, caramel apple, I think that's gonna be like a solid 7. Aggie mint blue, I think that's gonna be, I feel like that might surprise me, so I'm gonna give it a reasonable rating for now. It's a 6. Pumpkin roll, I think that's gonna be a 9, because that sounds really good. And original peanut butter M&M's candies, I think that's gonna be like a solid 8, 9, because peanut butter M&M's are really good. And that's it for the ratings, y'all. I'm like, when I get to Crumbl, I might show y'all. I think I'm gonna record it. I don't know if I'm recording for my TikTok. I don't know how I'm gonna do things yet, but I'll let y'all know when we're there or when we're starting to eat the food. Welcome back to another video. We're doing a Crumbl review. I'm super hungry, y'all. Super hungry. This is how it's looking like. Maybe I'll up close. This is how it's looking like. I'm sorry, I haven't flipped it. It's because I already have everything set up. I'm like super tired. I have everything set up so I didn't film it for you. So the first one we're gonna get started with is M&M. We're gonna go in the order we got them in. I'm debating. Comment on. So this time I'm not gonna break it, because I don't know if y'all like it when I break it. I'm thinking about getting the cookie cutter, so comment down below which one y'all prefer. Today I'm not gonna break it, but if y'all want me to break it, if y'all like me breaking it, then I'll break it. So this is the first one. I think I might break it. I'm gonna break it. I'm breaking it. Is it focus? Ooh, I heard that song. That's how it's looking like on the inside. This is the M&M feet peanut. Ooh, it has peanut butter like filling inside. Y'all see that? This is really good. My mouth is dry though. I'm gonna get water. Ooh, that was good. Like really good because I really like peanut butter. But it was a bit dry. Dry in the Popeyes biscuit. It was really dry. I'm not even gonna lie. I need to chug my water for it to like go down. Even so, I'm about to drink more because my throat is still dry. But it was good. I like how it had that extra peanut butter filling in it. Like I was really surprised by that. And yeah. My rating for that will be, oh my god, my camera's dying. My rating for that will be 8 out of 10. My camera's dying, y'all. If my camera dies, and I'm gonna just switch to my phone, so we're gonna make this a little bit quicker. So this is the caramel apple. I'm not gonna break it. It doesn't taste bad, but the icing is a little bit too much for me. I'm not gonna lie. But it still tastes good. Like it's really good. The icing is just too much. I don't know why I've been repeating myself twice. Like, girl, we heard you the first time. I don't really have nothing bad to say about it. I don't have anything good to say about it either because it was like mid. I'm gonna get that 8 out of 10. That was actually better than I expected. Okay, oh, this one feels really soft. So we're definitely gonna break this one. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. This is the pumpkin roll. Yeah, it felt soft. I'm looking like, yeah. It's good. This is good. Yeah. That was good. It's moist. That was really good. It's moist. It's fluffy. It felt like a little cake, but that was really good. That was so good. That has been my favorite one. I also do want to make pumpkin rolls, like but homemade. Comment down below if y'all do want to see that. Posting, I really haven't figured out how I'm gonna do everything here, so bear with me, please. So this is the last one. I only got 4 because it's only 4 new flavors. I don't really like chocolate chip. I don't really like pink sugar, so I'm not gonna waste my money. So yeah, we're gonna take a bite off of it. This tastes really good. Surprisingly, like, I didn't know the cookies were gonna be like cookies and cream based. And the cookies and cream cookie they have is really good. This is really good. I was talking shit earlier, but I saw her excitement for this one. So I'm like, but sometimes I'm not gonna lie, sometimes her ratings don't be the same as mine. Like she be finding certain cookies really good and I be finding them disgusting. So I don't know if it's a trustworthy source. You know? But the girl was right. But the only thing I'll say, I wish the chocolate chips were melted. I feel like that would make it perfect. But this was really good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I don't know if I did rating for the M&M cookies or anything else. I think I did. But this was really good. This week lineup is okay. I don't know, because at first I was like, I don't think people are dragging it, like I don't think Crumbl is that bad now. But like I feel like now their lineup is like, I just remember when I was seeing it used to be dumb crazy. I don't know. Crumbl, get your shit together. So that's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below what y'all want to see, what y'all want to try. Let me know. Talk to your girl. Talk to your girl. We filmed this today. I'm gonna tell y'all what time we filming. 11:50 a.m. Like, this is my breakfast because I fuck with y'all. You gotta let me know how y'all want me to do my YouTube channel. Do y'all just want me to try shit? Do y'all want me to do recipes here? Like, what y'all want me to do? Talk to your girl. And bye, y'all. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry for not uploading. I'm sorry. Trying to figure it out. But we back. And we better. Bye, y'all. Oh, before I forget, make sure you tune into my live stream tomorrow. I'll be hosting. I'm gonna have the link down below. Make sure you tune into that to support your girl, because yeah, it's a live stream. Now on my Instagram, I'm gonna have everything down below. So support your girl, okay? Bye. See you tomorrow if you show up for my live stream.